Welcome to the Boat Watch series here on the Manimoto channel.
Back at the Boynton Beach Inlet.
New rival. Look how beautiful that sky is today. Yeah, a little chilly, but it's supposed to hit 70 today. Currently 55 degrees on this Saturday morning, February 7th, 2026 at 7:50 a.m. They're working on the bridge here, some bridge maintenance. See Miss 3 is heading this way and living on Island Top. See Miss 3, here we go. Yeah, we'll let the camera roll. Ah, hey, we got a wave, all right.
It's been a little chilly down in Florida, so hopefully the hot and sticky weather will be coming back soon.
Living on Island Time. Yeah. Hey, we got a wave. I just noticed while I was editing. Cool. Someone left the beer can out there. It's not mine, so I'm going to throw it out. I can prove it's not mine because I don't like lady cans. This one's mine. Nice sunrise over the Atlantic. Lady K heading this way. Barjack fishing. Look at that. Look how close we're getting. That is so, that's why I love this spot. Look. That is so awesome, man.
This is Boat Watch.
I love that sound. Got a really cool vessel coming this way. Check this guy out. Oh, bait boat. Zooming in, hang on. Oh, I'm glad I got him. That is so cool. Woo. Ooh. Check this guy out. Boston Whaler. I thought for sure he stayed out there. Ah, look at that. I walked away for 2 seconds. I'm all the way over here. I saw him out there. And all of a sudden I saw him make that turn. I was like, uh-oh, better hustle. Oh yeah, finally getting some action. Yes, here we go. CV, right there. Coast Guard. Wow. Starfish Scuba coming this way. Starfish Scuba. Hurricane! Oh yeah! Got a hook! Well, hang out, and I got this guy heading back in. I watched the boats out there in the coastal.
When I see them start to tilt, that means they're coming down this way. Hey, what's up, buddy? Alright. Whoa, check this guy out. Man, rebel. Thing is bad. He's taking it nice and slow. They're working on the bridge there. That is so cool. Okay, he's slow, going very slow under that bridge. Oh yeah. I'm guessing you gotta be very experienced to pilot a craft like that. He's lighting it up a little bit. You gotta navigate that curve right there. Alright, here we go. Some more action. Boat watch. Alright, little sea fox right here. And the Everglades. Very nice. There we go, real rivals. Getting a little windy down here at the inlet. And look at this water. Totally beautiful. Check this guy out. Wellcraft. Ooh, watch out for that bridge. Oh, watch out for the bridge. Oh, look. Ooh. G&K, the name of that guy. And this guy. Interesting. Oh, this guy's a regular. Chaparral. Yeah, I always see it down here. Ooh, is he gonna make it? Yeah, he's gonna make it. It doesn't look so on camera, but he got it. He got it. Lady K, bar check fishing. Honk, honk. Heading to Lantana. Roballo. Yeah. Oh, and living on out of time coming this way. history. BSO is heading this way. You never know when something's gonna creep up on you. Alright. PBSO headed out and they're heading back in. Must be half a day or something. Thank you for watching today's presentation. This is the Manimoto channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. This one is in the books.